I've been working in renewable energy for almost 25 years, and what drove me all those years ago to choosing this industry was I wanted to save the planet. FloatWind is our contribution to that. FloatWind wants to set up a new way of delivering offshore wind in a ready-to-float, mass-assembled way.
We founded the company in August 2020 following our successful EMBA, and because we had so much positive response to that, we've decided to go commercial.
Through the course of this year, 2021, we're raising funds, and then we're going to launch the company. From 23 onwards, we should supply the market with ready-to-float wind turbines. So that's a wind turbine on the top, floating foundation on the bottom, and we will sell that to customers as a ready-to-float unit.
Historically, wind farms are consisting of fixed bottom offshore wind turbines, which are batch produced. What we are proposing is we construct floating wind turbines in a mass assembly production line using standardization and automation processes, including lean management and just-in-time management tools, to be the cutting edge of floating wind energy.
This is what FloatWind will be very good at, by using technology to secure the whole lean process, where you have a continuous flow, but just a just-in-time principle. So you have 100% control of your initial cost.
Our turnaround time is quicker. The installation time is much quicker for floating wind than it is for fixed foundation. So it's quicker and it's cheaper and it's safer.
And they will be constructed onshore at the harbourside. That means no expensive transport out to sea, safe working environment for all our staff, faster production, less costly, and achieving green goals much faster. We're inviting you to consider this investment opportunity because the market size is huge. If you consider that an average wind farm today in European waters is made up of about 100 turbines, that equals a sale of 1 billion. We aim to be cheaper. That means your investment will give you a larger return. And the market for offshore wind is currently estimated at 900 billion and rising.